Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Let me tell you about these little electrodes on my back. They're part of the TechCare Massage TENS unit, and I have been really impressed. Sometimes I wake up and I'm just stiff and I have achiness in my lower back. I put these little things on and they help so much. I feel so much more relaxed after using it. When I first got it and opened the box, there is a lot of pieces and I felt a little overwhelmed. But slowly, I've just been reading little bits at a time and it's actually not overwhelming. It's very easy to use. As you learn more about it, there's plenty of things you can do, but the basics are very easy. I love that it's convenient. It even has this nice massage belt that I can put around my back. The little clip clips on my waist, and I can even have this thing going while I am making my coffee in the morning. It's great that I can use this all over my body, so instead of having a lot of different devices, I can use this one head to toe. There's 2 cords that have the electrodes on the end, so there's an A cord and a B cord, so you can have it going on separate parts of your body or a bigger area, and each one is controlled separately. The buttons are really explained well in the directions. I had no problem figuring out what was what, and there's even a lock button, so you can get it on the right setting you want and then lock it in place so you don't have to worry about it switching around. An extremely large range of strength in the pulses. So depending on how I'm feeling that day really makes a difference. I also think it's cool you can see your muscles contracting. I've been really impressed with how much this has helped me to be able to relax.
But that's just my point of view.